I was gonna assemble this tomorrow, but one, I'm really excited. I wanted to get it together. And two, I realized I made a mistake. When I was finalizing everything, I put the Y button cap on, which is in a good position, everything's fine with that, but it wraps around the screen. So putting the screen in is now unsure of how to do that. So let's see if I can figure that out without having to cut that off and do it all over again. So some of the finalization things that I've done, I painted the screen bezels, and it's actually an easy way to do this. I have, it comes in plastic on the front and the back, so all I did was put it in place, and I just cut out the, with the craft knife, I cut it out in the plastic, and I pulled off all of the bezel parts, and spray painted it. That's it. It came out pretty good. I guess we'll see for sure when it's all in and the light shining through it. So the nice lazy way seems to work so good so far. What else? Spray painted the cartridge. Spray painted the port cover. I just Sharpied this just because when you see through, you can see a little bit of the white peeking. And I realized I'm a terrible painter. I had other plans in painting this thing, but after just trying to do a simple line, it didn't quite work out so well. So I'm probably still gonna clean it up before like the final show off video, but for now that's the idea. All right, let's see if I can get this in here without having to dismantle. Oh, one more thing that I did is, since this button is sort of, the Y button post is wrapping around the screen now to make room for the screen, this the cap is not centered on here, and these posts, they can spin. So if this spins, it's not gonna fit in the buttonhole anymore with it being circular. So I made a little retaining wire. It's just 2 loops of wire holding it in place right here, glued to the board. The entire load is just keeping it from spinning, and it's not really gonna have much force on it in that way anyway. So I think that's gonna be just fine. If not, I'll figure out a different solution for that. All right, let's see if I can do this. Well, it looks like I didn't mess it up. There's a couple things I need to fix before the final video. With the screen being as wide as this is, using the entire screen, there's a lot of light leakage around. So I'm gonna fix that up. This ugly line around the ports, have to clean that up. And I'll probably end up filing down the start and select button a little bit. It's looking pretty good. I can tell you these Vita sticks are the way to go.